Imagine a tower so tall, humanity believed it could reach heaven. One language. One people. One dream. But in a single moment, God came down. Their words became meaningless. Friends became strangers. Families were separated. And the greatest construction project in history ended forever. This is the story of the Tower of Babel. After the Great Flood, Noah's descendants multiplied across the earth. Generation after generation, Noah's family continued to grow. Everyone spoke one language. Every word was understood. United by one voice, they journeyed east. Until they found a vast plain in the land of Shinar. There, they decided to stay. What began as a peaceful settlement would soon become the most ambitious construction project the world had ever seen. Imagine a world where every person spoke exactly the same language. No misunderstandings, no barriers. Together, they believed nothing was impossible. "Come," they said, "let us build ourselves a city." Not just a city, but a tower whose top would reach toward heaven. Thousands answered the call. They shaped clay into bricks, then baked them in blazing furnaces. Bitumen became their mortar, stronger than anything they had built before. Day after day, the tower grew higher. The city looked unstoppable. But something dangerous was growing faster than the tower. Pride. Goal was no longer to honor God, but to make a name for themselves. God had commanded humanity to spread across the earth. Instead, they chose to stay together and build their own greatness. But while humanity looked up with pride, God looked down. Nothing built by human hands was hidden from the Creator. The Lord saw their unity, and He said, "Behold, they are one." But He also saw the pride hidden inside their hearts.
Then God declared, "Come, let us go down and confuse their language."
In a single moment, history changed forever. One builder shouted for another, but no one could understand him.
Latrisa!
The words no longer made sense. Friends became strangers. Families could no longer understand one another. Panic spread through the city. The greatest construction project in history came to a sudden stop. God scattered the people across the face of the earth. The city that once echoed with one voice became silent. The tower remained unfinished. The city is now empty and silent. A monument, not to success, but to human pride. That place became known as Babel. Because there, God confused the language of the whole earth. From one people came many peoples. From one language came many languages. The world would never be the same again.
The Tower of Babel was never just about bricks.
It was about the condition of the human heart.
God was not against building.
He was against pride that tried to replace him. Babel became a reset in human history. It explains why our world is filled with different nations, different cultures, and different languages. But God's plan for humanity never ended at Babel. The Bible reminds us, God opposes the proud, but gives grace to the humble. What are you building with your life? A monument to yourself? Or a life that brings glory to God? If this story encouraged you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more cinematic Bible stories.